प्रिय, मेरी जिंदगी कितनी बेस्वाद है और इसमें कोई मनोरंजन ही नहीं है और इस ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट लाइफ से मैं बहुत बोर हो चुकी हूँ। प्रिय, अगर इसमें कोई रंग भर दे तो मैं कैसी दिखूंगी? हे ऑल ब्यूटीज, सो आज मैं 2018 का ग्लैम अप और बहुत ही ज्यादा कलरफुल मेकअप करने वाली हूँ। लेट्स सी हाउ आई डू इट। सो आई एम स्टार्टिंग विद दिस कंसीलर, दिस Maybelline concealer, and I'm going to apply it on my eyelids. So now I'm going to set my eyelids with this banana powder. For highlighting my brow bone, I'm going to use this highlighter. Now I'm going to take this beautiful green shade over here and I'm going to apply it on my crease. I'm going to extend it in my outer corner. I'm going to keep blending it till I get a beautiful green shade. Now I'll be taking this dark green color for some depth. I'm going to only apply it on my outer corner. I am actually trying to make a V shape here. I'm applying this blue shade on my lid. Now I'm again taking this green color from the same palette and I'll be making this green more prominent. Taking this blue and I'm going to apply it on the blue shade I've already applied. I want this look to be very colorful and very bright. Now I'm taking this dark green shade on my lower lash line. I'm going to smudge both the colors together. I'm applying this blue eyeliner on my waterline. I'm going to take this blue glitter from this palette. I'm applying this primer on my face. This is Miracle Primer PS Pro. Now for foundation.
I am going to take this Milani Conceal Plus Perfect in the shade 03 Light Beige.
I'm applying it on my face with my fingers. And then I'll be blending it with my brush. And never forget to apply foundation on your neck because it's really important. Now I'm setting my whole face with this Wet n Wild contour palette and with this yellow powder. I'm using yellow because I want my face to look more brighter. Now with the same palette, I'm going to contour. And some on my jawline because I want a very sharp jawline.
Now for blush, I'm going to use this
Milani Baked Blush in the shade Luminoso. I'm going to take this Revolution highlighter.
because baby, I love blue.
Now the last part is lipstick, and for lipstick I'm going to take a very nice brown golden shade, which is this PAC Retro Matte Gloss in the shade 08 Smoke. I am going to take this Wet n Wild lipstick and apply a little bit on my lipstick. Just look at this. So this is my 2018 glam look. मेरी जिंदगी कितनी बेस्वाद है और इसमें कोई मनोरंजन ही नहीं है और इस ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट लाइफ से मैं बहुत बोर हो चुकी हूँ। प्रिय, अगर इसमें कोई रंग भर दे तो मैं कैसी दिखूंगी? अरे मैं तो बहुत सुंदर दिख रही हूँ।